Welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders.
Welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders. I'm in Carlington in Ottawa, and I'm walking down to Shillington to check out a popular takeout place around here called Run2Patty. So I've ordered from there and I'm gonna pick it up now. You can see it's October, the nice color change in the trees here, and the leaves on the ground. So yeah, I'm gonna pick that up and we'll try it out. There's a squirrel. Thank you for joining me on Steve's World of Wonders. I've been walking around. It's close to Halloween, and so far 2 black cats have crossed my path. Kind of funny. Look at this place. It's got a canoe with a garden in it and some kind of sculpture here. That's pretty neat. This is a fun neighborhood to walk around. I like the swing here. It's nice. Keep fish are green. That's a sign that people don't want developers taking down all the trees along Fisher Avenue near the experimental farm. I believe we are approaching Shillington up here, which is where the restaurant is. Here's some more Halloween decorations. I think I was closer to a Run2Patty restaurant than I thought. This place has just got some neat decorations. Look at that spooky guy. Got a little graveyard there. Lots of ghosts. Got an animated one there, witches in their cauldron. What's this guy here? Frankie's taken off his head and he's got caution tape. A spooky skeleton and a spooky gravestone and a ghost phantom up there. He's got glowing eyes. King Confectionery across the street. Oh, the dragon lights up. I didn't notice that. Look at the dragon lighting up there. That's neat. That's a pretty good one. Maybe I think the patty place is along the side. Shillington. And yeah, this looks like it over here. Carlington. So here's a shot of the menu inside Run2Patty. They've got chicken platters, beef platters, goat platters, seafood platters, and a whole bunch of sides. They also sell patties, beef patties, jerk chicken patties, oxtail patties, saltfish patties, chickpea patties for the vegetarians or people who just want chickpeas. The platters range from $10 to $25, depending on what you get. The $25 ones in the upper range are the shrimp and lobster platters. The smoked beef and ribs platter is also $25. The platter I wanted wasn't available on this night. They told me by phone that it wasn't available. I wanted the smoked barbecue chicken platter for $10, but instead, because it wasn't available, and to keep tabs of the items that are available on their menu on the daily, you can check out their Instagram account. I'll put a link to that in the description of this video. I went with the curry chicken platter for $10, and all the patties are $2 to $3, I think, depending on which kind of patty you get as a side. And the platters, I think they come with rice and beans and mac and cheese. A little bit darker so you can see the lights better on these. I love this display. Look at this guy. There's this again. It's a good one too. Alright, I picked up my order. There it is there. I'm gonna try out the curry chicken I just ordered. The curry chicken platter. I wonder if I'll run into any more black cats on the way back. Lots of really nice big trees in Carlington. Take a look at this. I don't know. Oh, it's starting to rain. Time for my umbrella. In the rain, you can really smell these trees. They smell really nice. Oh, I guess it's all the pine needles here. And I'm on Admiral Street. Looks like a skeleton on the stoop here. Let's check this out. Nice little garden in the back too. Oh, is that a giant spider? Is that cool? Oh, in a grave. Looks like he's got a party hat on. A giant spider here. It's weird that I didn't notice this one on the way here, because I think this is the direction I came from. Hi everyone. Can't wait to dig in. This container went kind of topsy-turvy as I was walking back here. So I don't know if it's going to look good, but it smells very good, which is a good indicator that it's going to taste good. I got the curry chicken platter. Every day they have different things, but they usually always have like jerk chicken and standard food items. Ooh, wasn't sure what their platter was going to come with, whether it was plantains or what have you. There might be some of those in here somewhere, I don't know, but this is their curry chicken. It's got mac and cheese. Also got a beef and cheese patty, because patty is in the name of the restaurant. thicker than the ones you get in the grocery store, I should hope. And yes, it is. I got their beef and cheese patty. Let's have a closer look at this. I'll give you a closer look. All right, so here's what it looks like. Let's go in a bit for some detail. There's some rice there, some potatoes looks like, some chicken. You got the mac and cheese, and you got the beef and cheese patty in the background there. Looks pretty good. I think that's a peppercorn there. This is going to be tasty. Let's see what the inside of this patty looks like. And what the crust is like. Seems to be a big air pocket in there. More meat than a typical, run-of-the-mill grocery store patty, but there's still quite a bit of air inside there. Space inside there. So look at all that space. That's what the interior looks like. This is supposed to be beef and cheese. Is there cheese in there? Yeah. I think so. Let's try it out. Very tasty. Nice and salty, savory. I like it. I was expecting a little bit more filling, a little bit more meat in there, but that's from what I saw in pictures. Pictures I've seen from Google Maps. I looked up their restaurant, and the pictures I saw had way more filling than that. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but that's still enough filling. That's more than what you get usually, and it's good quality filling. It's very meaty, fresh tasting. Not very spicy at all, it's more salty. Cheers, everybody. Thank you for watching once again. I appreciate it. Let's go in for some mac and cheese. I thought I'd be getting rice, but apparently their side is mac and cheese. I thought it would be warm, but it's a mac and cheese salad, so it's cold. It's actually got more spice to it than the Jamaican beef patty did. Raw onions or celery in there. And you can see little red peppers. It's good. I just wish my camera would focus. Maybe if I cover my face. But then I can't see what I'm doing. Sorry for my poor eating habits. I talk with my mouth full or whatever. I'm trying to get better about all that. Here's, ooh, this looks very tender. It's shredded chicken. This is the chicken curry. That chicken melts in your mouth. Here's a potato. Looks like it has a peppercorn. No, something else, I don't know. Potato is nicely roasted. Here's another nice piece of chicken with a light curry sauce. And there is a tiny bit of a jerk flavor to it too as well. Has a bit of spice. I'm sure you could ask for it to be spicier if that's what you like. Oh, so there is rice underneath. Here's a fork full of chicken and rice. That was chicken, rice, and potatoes, and they go real good together. So the curry is a blend of the potatoes and chicken. Lots of big meaty bites. Let's have some more of this delicious mac and cheese. I'm already getting full, and there's so much left here. It's a mild heat, but the heat builds up. The more you eat of this, it gets a little hotter. I like that. I'd recommend this item if when it's on their menu. You should try it out. It's really good. It does have a slight jerk chicken flavor to it, which is nice because then you get the best of both worlds, curry and jerk chicken. Get one of these with your platter too, they're very good. So the restaurant is called Run2Patty, and I recommend it. It's a very tasty meal. It's also very filling, very good for a cold day, comfort food. Big portions. I keep eating and eating. Still not out of big chunks of meat, still not out of rice, still not out of macaroni. It's a huge platter. There's a lot of good flavors mixed in here. I'm not sure what all the herbs and spices are, but it makes for an interesting meal. Very flavorful. I'm not getting, they must marinate their the beans that go with their rice. The beans that go with their rice, because they have a really nice saltiness. Saltiness kind of stands out in the flavor when you're eating the rice. So the thing I like best here are the potatoes and the curry sauce together. The potatoes kind of remind me of Greek potatoes. They have that soft, spicy, soft, salty, roasted flavor. The chicken is so tender, it melts. It literally melts in your mouth. You don't need a knife to cut anything here. Everything just is soft and falls apart. It looks like I haven't eaten anything. Well, except for the macaroni looks low. But there's still some over here. The more I eat this, the more I like it. There's a lot of black pepper in this too, I think. Peppercorns. I'm pretty sure. I'm no food expert. Wow, this is good stuff. I think I'm actually going to save the rest to enjoy another time. I liked it so much, I want it to last. So I'm just going to close this up, and we'll call that a meal. You could totally make 2 meals out of this, so it's a good deal. Good prices. I like when they give big portions for takeout because you can always have it the next day. Once again, I'd like to thank you for joining me here at Steve's World of Wonders. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.